Do you want to know how to draw your support and resistance like a pro? Hey guys, if you're watching me for the first time, my name is Felicia ABC, aka SKIL Forex, and in this video I will show you how to draw your support and resistance by following these 3 rules. As easy as support and resistance can be, drawing too many lines on your chart can be confusing, and that is why I created these 3 rules for drawing your support and resistance. Now, my number 1 rule is what are multiple rejections. You must make sure before you have your level, either support, either the resistance, there must be multiple rejections at this particular level. You want to play your support, you want to place your resistance. Now, I have the first rejection here, I have another rejection here, I have another rejection here, and that shows there's a level for me here, and I'm going to be using my rectangle tool to have my level drawn out. Now, good. So I have my resistance here. Now, my second rule is always make sure either your support or your resistance are not too far to the current price. Now, presently, this is the only resistance I have that is closer to the current price, and I'm going to look for a support that is close to the current price also. Now, I have my support, and this is the closest one to the price, and my resistance, and this is the closest one to the price. My third rule is both support and resistance at the same time. What I mean by that, I mean the level which I drew out here must serve as a support and must serve as a resistance at the same time. Now, looking at this level I have here now, you realize this level here is a support at this time, and later on price broke through the support and came back to retest it, and which serves as a resistance here and also as a resistance here. So this my level has obeyed all the 3 rules. Now let me look for 2 other examples to show you following my 3 rules. Another example I will be using now is AUD JPY. Now, my first rule says what? My first rule says multiple rejections. So I'm going to be looking for areas where I have my multiple rejections and which are not too far to the price. Now, we can see we have a rejection here, we have another rejection here, and as I said earlier, always make sure at least you have 2 rejections, at least 2 rejections. Now, I'm having my support here. Now I have the rejection here, the rejection here. Now, also my second rule says my levels must not be far to the current price. Now, the current price is here and not too far to my support. Now, also let me draw out my resistance also, because I have a rejection here, a rejection here, and a rejection here also. So I'm going to be having my resistance like this. Good. So now I have my resistance also. My resistance also is not too far to the price. So the current price level is in between my support and my resistance. So my third rule says what? My third rule says these levels must serve as both the support and resistance at the same time. Now you realize my level here now is a support here, serves as a support here, but serves as a resistance here. Now my resistance here, now it serves as a support here, serves as a resistance here, and also a resistance here. I'll be using Euro GBP for my last example, showing you how I draw my support and resistance. Now, again, my first rule says multiple rejections. So you realize I have a rejection here, rejection here, rejection here, also rejections here also, and that is going to make that area my resistance. So I'm going to have my resistance. Okay. Now, good. So I have my resistance there. It's not too far to my price actually, and the second rule says your support, your resistance must not be too far to your current price level. My resistance is not too far to my current price level, and I'm going to be drawing my support now also and it should be close to the current price level. Now good, I have my support also is closer to the current price now, and also I think I have another level here. I think I should have a level here. Yeah, I think I can find a level here actually. Okay, and this level, I think this level is going to suit the resistance more than this, because it's a bit closer to the current price than this. Also now the third rule says this level must serve as both support and resistance at the same time. But actually not all levels can serve as support and resistance at the same time. But here you realize this my level here is resistance there, a resistance there, but a support here, now back to being a resistance. That is how I draw my levels following these three rules. If you find this video helpful, click on the like button, click on the subscribe button, click on the notification button so you won't miss out of my coming content, because in my next video I'm going to be making a video on how I trade my support and resistance. Also, this will encourage me in dropping more useful content. See you in my next video, guys.